ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯗꯥꯔ ꯚꯜꯂꯚꯚꯥꯏ ꯄꯇꯦꯜ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯗꯦ ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯥ ꯗꯤꯋꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ Am-Istv ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯗꯥꯔ ꯚꯜꯂꯚꯚꯥꯏ ꯄꯇꯦꯜ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯗꯦ ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯥ ꯗꯤꯋꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯑꯥꯏꯔꯟ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯁꯔꯗꯥꯔ ꯚꯜꯂꯚꯚꯥꯏ ꯄꯇꯦꯜꯒꯤ 150 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯑꯣꯟꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ 1st ꯕꯠꯇꯥꯂꯤꯌꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯔꯥꯏꯐꯜꯁ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯥ ꯗꯤꯋꯁ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯗꯦ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔꯅ ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯁꯦꯂꯨꯠ ꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯗ inspection taukibaga loinana Mars Pars ki salami oki thoram aduda Manipur gi governor MLA sing civil amadi police ki makok thongbo official sing sarukya ki governor na luchingduna Rastriya plates lominaki Mari Suba ARV gi commandant Pramesh Arambamna parade commander oiduna Army Assam Rifles BSF CRPF combined Manipur Rifles combined IRB Tara Suba amadi Taraga Mathwai Suba IRB Civil Police Imphal East amadi West Mapan Suba IRB Mahila Battalion Nupa amadi Nupi gi NCC contingent combined band platoon gi contingent singna piba salami governor na oki Manipur gi governor AK Vallana Ningthaupanwa Leibak Chaunga hena punsinduna sovereign oiba India ma sembagi manglana du Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel na mangfauna hanki mahagna makhatana Manipur government na paikhat patungan ba mission amadi scheme singna lamdam asigi miyam da kanaba piri tungan ba section khuding maktagi leiba asigi service tawriba singbusu thagatwa phungdoki ngasigi Rastriya Ekta Diwas asina apunbagi masaktu hena chesilalasi haiki
The chief guest now leaves the saluting base for inspection of the parade. The Army contingent of 19 Garhwal Rifles. The Assam Rifles contingent is commanded by the BSF contingent. Next approaching, the CRPF contingent commanded by SI Anil Kaur. Next approaching is combined Manipur Rifles contingent. The 10th IRB contingent. Following is the 11th IRB contingent. Following is the Civil Police Imphal. The Civil Police Imphal West contingent. Following is the Civil Police Imphal East. The Civil Police Imphal East contingent. Following the 9th IRB Mahila contingent. Following 14th Manipur Battalion NCC contingent. 14th Manipur Battalion NCC contingent is commanded by SDO Okram Rahul Singh. Following 65th Girls NCC the 65th Girls NCC contingent. Also combined band platoons commanded by Jibadar L.
Among my fellow countrymen, unification of my country and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It inspires all of us, including in Manipur, to strengthen harmony and to work together across communities, thereby contributing to the vision of a united and inclusive India. On this Rashtriya Ekta Divas, we salute Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, whose vision and resolve brought together a diverse land into one union. Let's renew our commitment to protect India's unity, integrity and security, focusing on strengthening harmony across every village, town, hill and valley of Manipur. Our state is closely knitted with different communities of people of various cultures, histories and languages. For generations, we have shared resources, work and a sense of brotherhood. This diversity does not divide us, it supports and strengthens us. Manipur's daily life reflects the true spirit of unity. The Imas have long stood at the forefront, leading movements against injustice and driving progress. The women of Ima Cathal, in particular, have been pillars of state's economy, shaping its growth through resilience and enterprise. Across the hills and valleys, the women of Manipur continue to show how their hard work sustains families, strengthens communities, and keep the spirit of state alive. Our festivals, whether in the hills or the valley, carry a shared rhythm of sowing and harvest of joy and thanksgiving. When we join each other's celebrations and encourage our children to learn each other's songs, we transform culture into a bridge of connection and unity.
Thauramaka Chatarakpada Aikoigi Apunba Saktam Hain Mingthonba Government Dance College ki artist singna lantokpa dance choreography amasu utkibaga loinana national anthem saktuna ngasiki thauramadu loishinki. Nahasinga Police Kamari Fagatnaba Nahasingbu Mayai Kaba Chinjaktagi Laptho Handuna Afaba Lambi the Lamjing Nabagi Pandam the Mayang Imphal Police Station Sinduna National Unity Day Githoranga Mari Lenana Run for Peace and Unity have a team da Mayang Imphal PS na Kondu the Labor Sports Academy Amadi Club Sing Sigi Sanaroi Humbudrani Twaina Sarugyaduna Asang Balamjela Mangasi Ayuk the Pangtokre. Hari Balamjeladu, Mayang Imphal PS, Mapada Gilam Taraba Matunda, Bengungi, Kong Ahanbi, Machin Yoraba Matunda PS, Mapada Amuk, Lamtung from Oiki. Asang Balamjeladu da Santil de Gisuranjoy, Boxing Academy Uchiwagi Sanaroi, Mayang Mayum Mirasna Ahanba, Kumbidagi Sarita Regional Boxing Academy, Mayang Imphal Sanaroi, no Maitem, Toitoibana Anisuba Madi Ukrul degi Sarita Regional Boxing Academy, Mayang Imphal Sanaroi. Ngarimina ahumsuba manafang kibagalinana lamjel loy tara khangatuna consolation prize biduna sanaroi singbo pukning togatki.
Sarita Regional Boxing Academy, Mayang Imphal Waikomba, Izas Same Sadhana, Review, SS Sangway. Am-Istv Mission Takiba, Am-Istv Joy Thuba, As Takiba, Mayang Mayun, Meras Samthen, Surujoy Boxing Academy, Chiwagi, Mayasna Nasigi.
Union Minister of State for Women and Child Development Sabitri Thakur, Jiribam District Talakadori Basigamangoinana, DC Jiribam Krishna Kumarna Mayai Tangbal Lodana Yingshin Mifam Pangtokre. Mifam Adura District Sigi Makok Tongbo official Kya Sarukyaki. Union Minister Gi Kongchedasi Mapung Faba Madi Aswengam Yaudaba Kongchedama Ohenaba District Administration and Lokat Kadaba Chection Tarang Singi Matangda DC na Mari Lainaba officials Sing the Poktak Piki Hari. Indigenous Martial Art Thang Tazi National Games ki manungda chalhanbinaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na aihen mamiting changbiu haina Rashtrahit Sarvopari Sangathan ki founder President Sohan Giri na phongdokre. Wafamasi Goa da hauzik pangthokliba kuntraga mathoi suba sub junior amadi senior national Thangta Games ki thoramda phongdokibani. Thangta Federation of India na sinduna Morgao Goa da leiba Manohar Parikar Indoor Stadium da chathaba kuntraga mathoi suba national Thangta Games aduga mari leinana pangthokpa thoram aduda saruk yaraduna Sohan Giri na mapalamgi masana sing judo karate taekwondo wushu masana sing national games da yauri aduba indigenous martial art Thangta di ngasi fawba national games asida yauduna leiri maramaduna hairiba masana sing national games da yahon bahaibasi yamna maru oi amadi yahon bada yaba masana amasu oire ngasi di Bharat laingang na ahen Jangduna National Games da Jalhanbiu Haiki. National Thangta Games ki Thoram da Sarukya kiba Thangta Federation of India ki founder Grandmaster Prem Kumar na Malim gi miyam na masak khanglaba Thangta asi ngasi di mirai duna thambiri Bharat ki oiba sana khotnaba gi tournament sing Khelo India School Games amadi University Games sing da Thangta asi yauduna leiri maramaduna lengang na ahen mamiting changduna Thangta asi National Games sa chalhanbina ba amadi Khelo India School Games amadi University Games da yauhannaba hotnabiu haiki. National Thangta Games aduda Manipur gi sanaroi kya su saruk kya duna medal kya fanglei. Hozipaugi Marthana Timba Bremtang Lominasi.
Honglakliba punsigi lambi sida araiba chaba yaba makhai sasinari. Adone hidak langthak kayama sadaba yarakte sasilliba singduna adomgi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra. Liver nabu soklaba chaning thakningba phawdaba puk nungaitaba khong hamba nungairaktaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti. Khuding maksibu ngakthokke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule.
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi khubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu khudakta phanba ngamlaba Capidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnau mareng chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Capidon cup syrup thakpiu Capidon cup syrup.
Breaking matungda mayamba mukhana taramnuk chari makhataba pau pizari. Serasigi Turel Singak Senduna Hingal Hanaba Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na Tungan ba Lub Singa Kusamnaduna Chatarakiba Swastahi Seva English Singani Kungamanga Special Campaign 5.0 ngasi Luwang Lim Sung Singda Turel Gitina Fam Iroi Semba Irong Talushinkre Nambol River Protection Committee na Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Thausil Makhada Pangto Kiba Lushin Bagi Thoramaduda Iroi Semba Irong Lifam Thogalup ki President M Maino Secretary S Mera Jau Maitei, NRPC की President Fulendro, Directorate of Environment की Development Officer Thongnaujam Alexander su sarukya Wangang की बस सिंह नमः उसागी फिबम द तुरेल सिंह थमना नबा आइखोई खुदिंग मगना अचोब थौदांग लोमिना गदबनी तुरेल दा मोरकाई मरु ओइना प्लास्टिक की पोलम सिंह थादबना तुरेल सिंह मोसिलकपगी अचोब मरमनी हाइना फुंगतोकनखी
हाना मौसागी लेजरंबा फजना निचिना लेजरंबा तुरेल की इसिमसी कमाइन तौदना मयाम सिंसिना मागी नहाकी नुवाइनबी होनबदगी मांगलक्पा तुरेन सिदेगा अमोटपा पसनलक्पा मयाम दना नंबुल तुरेन सि क्वाइदे मोटपा तुरेन मनु तंदना मनिपुरदा क्वाइदे मोटपा तुरेन मनु लई डस्टबिन के टाइपता तुरेन मपानु खुंजनबगी चटनबी शो मयाम लाई सिदा मै हेंदोक्तना तुरेन सिदेगा अखोई टॉयलेट तगी करी करा अदगी यूम दगी इरु माचजबगी फतबो ड्रेन यामसु तुरेन सिदा तासनबो मयाम सि शो मैम से ये मुरकांदा अखोइना लेकाई दा लेरिबा क्लब से मैरा पाइबी सिंगो अहल लमन अतोप ओनसे मैम से